Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to transfer money to any bank account using the PhonePe app. First, open the PhonePe application on your mobile device. Look for the violet icon with Pay written on it in Hindi and tap to launch the app. Once the app is open, you'll see the main interface. At the top section, under the Transfer Money category, tap on the To Account option to start transferring money to another bank account. Next, tap on Add Bank Account at the bottom of the screen. You'll be prompted to enter all the necessary details of the bank account you want to send money to. Fill in the account number, account holder name, phone number, and any other required information. Once you've double-checked that everything is correct, tap Confirm. After confirming the bank account details, enter the amount you want to transfer. You can also add a message if you want to include one in the provided box. Then, tap Send at the bottom of the screen. You'll be asked to enter your UPI PIN to authorize the transaction. After entering the PIN, the payment will be processed, and a successful payment screen will appear. Tap Done to finish the transaction, and that's it. Your money is now successfully transferred to the bank account. Using these steps, you can easily send money to any bank account directly from your PhonePe app. Hey guys, that's how you can transfer money to any bank account using PhonePe. Follow these steps and you'll be able to make payments quickly and securely.